Today, I'll be reviewing RestroSuite, which is an all-in-one solution that allows you to sell done-for-you websites to restaurants with booking system, with QR codes, with a short link website for them as well. Much more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the details on the inside. But before I do so, I want to mention that there's a link in the description of this video where you can find more information about RestroSuite, like the pricing, like the possible upgrades, and also some free upgrades that you're going to get if you get this product through my link. So make sure you check it out. I don't have it ready right now, but when you see this video, it will be there for you. All right, let's dive into this and let me show you what RestroSuite is all about. So the concept is really simple. Once you log in, this will be your dashboard. And from here, you go to the right top where you go to businesses. Now, if I'm correct, the front end allows you to set this up for 100 different businesses. So when you click on new business in here, you can create a complete new environment for a new restaurant. So let's say this is Jones Restaurant. Now it's going to create a submenu or a subdomain for us, but you can also run this on a custom domain. So once you've done this, you can see that it's going to create the website and all the pages and everything included for us. And as you can see, it's completed right now so that it goes real quickly. And now you've got a separate environment. So everything that you're seeing in here is for this specific client. And now you can build out the rest of the website. Now the website has already been done. So here at the left menu, basically this is everything where you manage your pages, your bio links, your QR codes, etc. So when you go to your website here and you click on home, now we can preview our restaurant page. So when I click on view website, this is the website that has been created for you in literally a few minutes. Now, as you can see, there is some lorem ipsum text on this page, so you need to fill out your own text for each specific restaurant. And that makes sense because every restaurant would like to have its own content, but everything is done for you. Pictures in here, the IDs that you can use, reserve a table here, book a table, customer experience, etc. So these are all the pages that have been created for you. If people would love to book a table, they can do that in here. They will be redirected here. They can set their name here, their contact number. They can say, I want to book 4 seats, for example. They can select a date in here, their email address, and they can click on book a table. So let me actually fill this out at gmail.com like this. And boom, my contact number. Let's say my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's do this again. And my name. Okay, Tim. Let's do it like this. So right now, the table has been booked. The message has been forwarded to the restaurant owner if you set this up in the backend. So you get everything in here, like this website here. All these pages are all done for you. As you can see, it looks very professional and everything can be changed on the backend or in the backend here. As you can see, all these drinks, reserve a table again in here, customer experience. So when you go to the backend, you can manage everything from here, from the website part. So when I click on website, when I go down here, you can see website pages. So when I click on this, you can see all the pages in here that we just saw. So if you'd like to change the home page in here, you go to this little icon here, you click on edit, and now you can edit this page yourself. Now, first, it will guide you through a wizard. So if you would like to get another theme, for example, so the theme color is now this light brown color here, you can change that to whatever color you like in here. So we'll guide you through a menu, or you could choose a palette in here. If you like to change those colors, you can change that as well here. You can simply drag and drop. As you can see, the button changes in color. So you can change these colors in here if you'd like to. So you simply go through the menu here. You can set up the main menus in here. You can change that. Simply go through the wizard and save everything. And once you've been through the wizard, you can continue you can view your website, or you can continue editing. So when I click on continue editing, I'm able to manage everything from here. So if I'd like to change this text in here, I can simply type in here and it will be changed on the website. So I can change this to other headlines, for example. I can change the fonts in here. For example, if I'd like to use another font, I can simply choose that from here. I can change the spacing, etc. All the details can be changed from here. Alignment, listening, rotate. If I want to add pop-up bars, create new pop-up. If I like to create a pop-up from here, links, styles, background colors, etc. You can change that from here. But if you like to add other elements or change pictures here, you simply click on the picture, you click on change image, you can upload your own image, and then you can change everything in here on this page. Now, if you'd like to add other elements as well, here at the left side, you click on elements and it will open a new menu in here, and you can add all these elements in here to your page. So if you'd like to add a paragraph, you simply drag and drop this in here. And then again, you can change this to whatever you like. You can change the color in here. And as you can see here, now we've added this to our page. So you can move all the parts of this page if you'd like to move parts on the page. So like say you want to have this text block somewhere else. You can simply select the text block. So you click on it first and then you grab one of the corners in here. You need to grab this correctly. Let's try this again. I don't have a normal mouse in here. I have a palette which works a little bit, well, not as good as a normal mouse for work like this. But normally you could click on the edges in here, and then you can change that to other parts of the page. Oh, now I got it here. You see, so you can move this to anywhere on the page in here, and boom, it's there. So you're not using paddings and margins and stuff like that. You simply move this wherever you would like to have this on the page. And I want to undo this because that's not the right spot. But yeah, you can add all these elements to your pages. So you have headlines, paragraphs, videos, shapes, icons, space, buttons, images. But there's more here. You can also add widgets to your pages like timers, logos, your own HTML, social media, lead forms, sign-up forms, login menus, booking forms. Let me scroll down here. Products, you can add products to your pages as well. And then styling of a page. So here you can change the appearance, the menus, the headers and footers. So that was the first thing that we went through. Here as well. So when we click on this final icon in here, the website pages, you can skip to other pages in here. So if you want to change the book a table page, you simply click on this pencil. But first you want to, of course, publish your page. So when you click on publish in here, you can set this to public or members only or password protected. If you want to have password protected pages, you can publish this on a specific date, and then you can simply click on publish, and then your page will be published. So basically, you get a complete done for you website here. And if you want to create a complete new page, you simply click on new page, and you give this page a name. So let's say demo page. I'm going to click on create. And now you can create a complete new page for yourself. So you can choose from a bunch of templates in here. There are lots of templates here. When I put this to 48, look at all these pages, all these designs. You can choose from all these templates. And yeah, you can create extra pages yourself if you need extra pages, or you can duplicate other pages if you'd like to. So that's in here. Your website pages. So that's the whole part what you're seeing in here. This is everything where you manage. This is everything here where you manage all of your pages. Then we got the second part, which is the selling part in here. And that's where everything will be registered related to your products or your booking. So when somebody booked on your website, so when I click on booking in here, my email address should be in here. My name and email address should be in here. So here you can see I booked a table, Tim, with my email address, and I booked 4 seats, and this was on the booking date. I think this will be in here. The booking date should be also in here. So I don't know if I did something wrong or if it's not registered, that there's a bug in the app. Honestly, I can't tell you, but I will let them know if this is the case so they can fix that. But basically here you will see all the bookings, and you can forward these messages to the restaurants as well. Products can be added. So if you like to create products like pizzas or whatever, you can even do other products like digital products. You could do memberships. If you like to create memberships pages, if you do something with cooking and you want to create a membership site about cooking for restaurants, you can do that as well. Digital services and physical products. So pizza is a physical product and you can sell it through here. You can send it the product. You could do the product images in here. You can say, do you want to have this on the landing page? Yes or no. What are the costs to ship that to them? Shipping is a bit strange word, but to bring the pizza, you can charge them as well. You could do different variants in here. So if you like to have small, medium, large, you could add that in here. And yeah, that will be registered in your orders tab in here. So when you save and leave this, all the orders will be listed on this page in here. Booking system here, we already had that. You got discount, you got settings in here. So here you can set the support desk URL, email, support contact number, etc. Email sequences. If you like to change that, you can see this is the email sequence in here when somebody purchased a product. You can add more as well, I think. Oh no, this is the plus. No, so this is the basic cell settings, what people will see. Next thing, let me see here. So we got the cell parts in here. The QR code. So you can also generate QR codes for the restaurant. So you could do this for products. You can simply enter your name. So let's say you do pizza, and then you can do your link over your shop. And then 123.com/pizza. Pizza 1, for example, order your pizza. You can upload your own logo on top of this, and then you can generate the QR code. And you can add this to menus or wherever you would like to add this. And then when we go here to the list, you can see that this is the pizza. You can download this, or you could do a QR code for this specific restaurant, etc. So that is the QR code. Bio links is another thing. You can create pages, small pages, bio. Let's call this bio in here. Click on create. And now you can create these pages. So these are these small bio pages. So when I start or preview this template, I can show you. So this is a bio page, and this is mobile friendly. We all know these bio pages, right? Where your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is on. So this is focused on the restaurant team, as you can see in here. You can create those in here. You can even do this for other niches as well. So yeah, basically RestroSuite sets up a complete restaurant website, but you could use this tool for many other business, other niches as well, as you can see. And honestly, I will tell you my final opinion at the end of this review as well, what I think of this product overall. So that's the bio link. You can set up mails in here. You can send mails with RestroSuite as well. So when I click on new mail, I first need to set up my mail server. So keep in mind that there's no mail server included. So you need to add your own SMTP, or you could do something like Mailgun, SendGrid. You can connect that to RestroSuite. Pop-up and banners, this is something of one of the upgrades where you can create pop-ups for your pages. So let's call this pop-up. I'm going to click on create here. And now you can create these pop-ups. As you can see here, there are 15 pages of pop-ups. So let's say you want to use a pop-up like this on your page. You can simply use that. So let's say start with a template. And now you can change everything on this pop-up for this page, like your images. Just like we added these other pages, you can change this to your own content. You click on publish, and here you can decide where you want to show this to a specific segment. Where do you want to show this campaign? On the whole website, or maybe on a specific location, on a specific page if you'd like to. So if the page is equal to this URL, for example, how do you want to show this? On the landing, or maybe on exit, or when people scroll your page, or maybe a delay of 10 seconds when this pop-up shows up. Entry, exit, fade in, fade out. How many times do you want to show this campaign? Exclude from campaign limits, or maybe you want to set a maximum of 10, for example. So there are many options for these pop-ups to show. And you can even set this on specific date if you have a specific campaign on your website. So very cool, really like those pop-ups, and they do work. I use them all the time myself. Audiences in here, so you can create segments of your audiences. Honestly, I don't know if you need this if you have a restaurant, etc. But here you can sort out your audiences. And basically, what I forgot to mention is that this product is similar, or it is similar to other products, but if you already own one of these products, maybe those are similar to you, like Legal Suites, YoSeller, YoDrive, maybe you have Kaiza, if you own that as well, it will be in your solutions. So basically you manage all these products inside of one dashboard, which is from Opio. And then in here, the visitor type, for example, all visitors, new visitors, returning visitors, you can create that audience in here, which you can use for the pop-ups, etc. Contacts will be stored in here. As you can see here, this was the contact that we filled out. Inside of the audiences, customers list, suppression list, tags, communication, analytics, and more, even more in here, which is the My Drive. If you have that upgrade, you can store your files just like a Google Drive, similar to that. 88 Generator, this is one thing that I want to point out. If you click on 88 Generator, this is also one of the first, I think it's the first upgrade, where you will be able to make your websites ADA compliant. As you can see in here, where you can add a menu like this to your website, where, you can add these elements like bright contrast, reverse contrast, smaller text, underline links, image titles, black cursors, all these things that are required to make your website ADA compliant can be added to your website. You simply click on enable, boom, and now this widget will be enabled on your website. So it's clients with ADA issues, not sure how to pronounce it, how to say that, but for those people, they can use this menu. And then let's see, integrations. So when you click on integrations, you can click on new integrations, and these are all the integrations that are available. So if you also own GetResponse, for example, or Aweber, or one of the other integrations, and there are many integrations, as you can see here, it's pretty full-blown product. This you can connect that to your RestroSuite as well. Inside of the settings in here, you can change so many things. I mean, like I said, it's a pretty robust product. And what they've done is they have one main product, like the mail system, etc. And they add that to their new product all the time. So that way they're able to make this product so robust. Like your domains, if you want to edit your subdomains in here, you can do that. You can set up your own domain, your website home, your brando. So if you want to turn off your Opio branding, you could do that as well, or you can turn it on or off on your pages. Memberships in here. If you want to configure membership pages here, you can do that as well. So membership login, sign up pages, etc. You can set up your mail in here. API payment system. So if you need to set up a payment system in order for people to pay for the products, you can set up PayPal, Stripe, Pay.com, even JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank products. If you decide to use this RestroSuite for other purposes, you can all manage that from here. And everything that you've seen in this review is for one specific client, one environment, one business. And if you'd like to add a new business, simply go to the top here and then go to businesses and create your new business. Or you can switch to another business here, like you can see here. So here I created all businesses. When I click on all businesses, you can see here all the businesses, and I can simply click on it. I can go to the dashboard of that business. Now I'm in dashboard Tim, and boom, I got a complete different website that I can manage from here. I can manage the pages from my own website in here, etc. So that's where you can set up businesses, client management, so you can add clients in here as well. You can add team members in here. So if you'd like to add team members that are also being able to work inside of your application, you can simply click on new team member. You can fill out their name, email address, profile, etc. You can add that in here. And then once you've done that, let me see if I can see that in here. I can see it here. You can see I'm Tim, I have access to Jones Restaurant, Restaurant 1, etc. So here you can manage the team profiles here. So if you add a new profile, You can say, okay, I want to select these businesses, and then you can add these profiles to your team members, etc. So it's pretty advanced. You can say they have access to all these areas, etc. And that's basically what RestroSuite is all about. It's a pretty full-blown application for a very affordable price, in my opinion. There are page builders out there that are way more expensive, and I think the price is very good. Now, I told you that I would give my my full opinion about this product at the end of this video, and that's, I think, where this product fits best is if you create websites for restaurants. Now, if you want to have the booking system that is available, I showed you the booking system here on the website, right? So you have here your website, in the selling part, you have your booking system. What I haven't figured out myself is when there are bookings on a page, is that the restaurant owner is not logged into the app. So everything needs to be forwarded to the restaurant owner, just similar to the orders that come in. You know, as far as I can see right now, they're not able to manage the orders inside of the application. So where this product fits best is to just sell restaurant owners websites that are ADA compliant, that have everything included, where you forward the bookings on their pages, etc. But you know, it's not a full-blown application where they can also book tables, where there's a where they can scan QR codes on the table, and then where it's a very easy system for the restaurant owner to take those bookings, etc., or those orders from a QR system, etc. So basically what you're doing with this product is, or you use it to deliver websites to restaurants really easy, really quickly, because within minutes a website has been set up, or you use this simply to create other websites, because it comes with loads of themes, etc. Very cheap page builder, works very good. And yeah, that's how I think about this application. You know, it's not the top notch to get all the orders in by scanning QR codes, etc. So probably I will add a bonus where you can do wireless contact menus as well, where they can see all of the products, etc. So make sure, again, check out that link in the description. All the details will be there. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments as well. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit a thumbs up if this video was useful. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.